Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is a stationery subscription box, and this is from Papergang. So this is their March 2021. So if you wanna see what's inside here, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. We're unboxing the Papergang March 2021. If you're new to this subscription box, this is a stationery subscription box. It costs £14 a month, including the shipping fee, and yes, you receive every month stationery, and every month also they collaborate with an artist, and we will see later the artist for this month. So this is the month box. As you can see, lovelies, it's really gorgeous, lovelies. It has this like a design like sardines, first class stamp. It's really gorgeous, really cute one. Let's open it, and then inside we have, it looks like this, and it says how Papergang works. We think of fun ideas for a new Papergang box. An illustrator creates the designs for it. For every 4 boxes sold, we plant 1 tree, and you get a full box of stationery just like this one, straight through your letterbox, and their creation are brought to life in stationery form. So yes, every purchase of this box, they plant a tree, which is a thumbs up. And also, lovelies, and if you want to subscribe to this to Papergang, and if you want to use the code, I will pop in the description box below, you will have your first box for only, I think, £7. All the info, as always, will be in the description box below. And inside we have the leaflet. As always, month box is designed by Amy Hastings. So here she is, and I like her color. And yes, and then in this leaflet we have the contents, all the info here. And then we have, as always, this one I'll give it to my daughter, she will love it, like a coloring paper. We have this one here with like a gold sticker. Here it says Papergang, and then we have all the products inside, and let's see each one. So the first one we have here, lovelies, is this one. Oh, it's a notepad. It's really cute, the design, and it has like a gold foil here. It's so cute. It's really cute. And then we have, you can open like this, and it says this notebook belongs to, and then you have a, here we go. In this one, lovelies, it's an A6 detective notebook, and has 64 sheets printed on sustainably sourced paper with a gold colored foil finish. Wow. Yes, it's really gorgeous, and it's very handy, and yes, it's really nice. The design, I really love the design. And then we have, oh, this is so cute. We have an enamel pin. So gorgeous, this one. And it says creative juice. I don't know if you can see it. It's so gorgeous. And yes, and then we have also some stickers. My daughter will love this one. Right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 stickers, like a 4 sheet stickers. It has also the gold foil finish, as you can see, and it's so cute, lovelies. It has the enamel pin one, the design with the creative juice, first class, second class, stamp, light my fire, the banana, the ice cream. That's so cute. Definitely my daughter will love it. She loves stickers, so I will give it her. And then we have two very handy greetings card. We have the happy birthday one, which is very handy. Sometimes I always forget to get this. I'm happy to have it here. And then we have also the go get them tiger. Go get them tiger. So this is a perfect time right now, lovelies. And yes, it's just a plain one. And then they came also with the envelope. And then the last one we have here with this cute little bag, and inside we have, this is so cute, 12 coloring pencil. This is gorgeous with the color on the bottom one, and also lovely on the pencil. There's a quote. It says, go get them tiger, inspire yourself, be kind to yourself, be brave, you've got this, let your mind wander, have a good day, let's get creative, creative juice, look like fun, and get it done. These are very handy. I bought one in Poundland the other day, but still I really need them. They are very handy when my kids wants to coloring. So yes, perfect time. And the bag, can we talk about the bag? It's gorgeous. It says Papergang here, and it's very handy to have this bag here. I won't lose any of the pencil. I don't know you lovelies, but every time I bought coloring pencil for my daughter, she lost every time. Like, yes, I'm really glad to get it here. So yes, lovelies, so that's all as you can see. And yeah, let's do a recap. We have the 12 coloring pencil, and here it says 12 different colors in a brightly printed carrying pouch. Very cute pouch. And then we have two greeting cards with happy birthday and go get them tiger. And then we have 4 sheets of sticker with the gold foil here, and it's so cute. And then, oh, I said cute a lot of time, isn't it? But they are really cute. We have the enamel pin. This one, it goes on my bag, definitely, and it says creative juice, like this one. And then we have also the detective notebook one, the A6 detective notebook, very handy one. So yes, overall lovely this month. As you can see, the design is really cute and definitely worth 14 pounds. I think this box is worth 28 pounds. So yes, half price. I paid only half price, and they are very handy. That's why I kept this subscription box, lovelies, because sometimes I forgot to purchase stationery stuff in store. So yes, I have here. So and the other hobby that I have, lovelies, is collecting stationery. I love collecting them. Sometimes I don't really want to use them because I really want to collect them. What do you think of this month? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes. And also, lovelies, don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye. Mwah.